Everybody, CryptoStrang here. This morning we'll talk about BloFin. Really exciting exchange. A lot of exchanges coming out there at the moment. There's many out there. However, some are really high quality and high level, which is what I like to see. Now, BloFin, I like to broaden my horizons of exchanges, ones that offer exciting products, not just about literally spot trading and hold on different markets, etc. I actually want to see what they offer. Now, BloFin's been around since 2019 when it was basically constructed. Now, since then, they've had a massive investment from the likes of Kucoin. Okay, Matrix Partners. We total $50 million, which again really shows the potential of this product. And the fact another centralized exchange like Kucoin decided to invest in BloFin really does speak volumes for the project alone. So BloFin, where wows are made. Now, also got to add, it's great to see an exchange where UK residents can join it with no restrictions. And obviously, a lot of exchanges have stopped UK residents joining. Existing ones are fine, but new basically people just want to literally in crypto in the UK to actually join exchange is extremely difficult. So it really is nice to see the exchange actually does allow it. So BloFin, where wows are made, you can see here on the screen. Now, I'm going to talk about everything about their security, which to me is absolutely fantastic and really important when you join any exchange. A lot of people talk about the difference between decentralized exchange and centralized exchange, the positives and negatives of both. Now, we've got to think about decentralized. Now, obviously, it's completely decentralized, so you've got to keep your key phrases and your password safe. If you lose that, you've had it. You've lost all your crypto for good. Now, centralized exchange, obviously, you do have the backup of customer support, and their customer support of BloFin is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so you've got to realize now when they've got the highest level of security as well, plus you do all your security requirements, your 2FA, your strong password, anti-phishing code, etc. You should feel safe holding it on exchange, especially exchange been around for years, never been hacked. I think it's really good. So you've got to basically do your own research and see what's preference for you. Now, me personally, I do hold crypto on centralized exchanges, and I'm very happy with the ones which are secure. Now, when we scroll through and BloFin, I think you understand the security levels here. It does really give you that strong reassurance. Now, you can see on there, on the screen, obviously got the markets, talk about more in depth, the welcome bonuses again. But why BloFin? BloFin, a trustworthy exchange with industry-leading trading system. Now, asset transparency and security. Let's want to talk about the security side of it. To me, it's extremely important. On BloFin, we hold a one-to-one reserve of all customer assets on our platform and give you full transparency of our reserves. I'll show you the proof of reserves soon. Again, obviously, it's extremely important. Trade with ease and confidence. Now, obviously, as crypto's constantly get more mainstream, more and more people get into crypto and understand it. Naturally, you want an exchange which is easy to use, and that's extremely important. It's nothing like a complicated exchange for someone just getting started. I remember when I first started on Bittrex in 2016, I found it extremely difficult to know how to use it. They make it extremely easy on here. As always stated, you want help as usual, email me, info@cryptostrang.com, help any way I can with screenshots. If you're literally just getting started with crypto and you're struggling to basically use an exchange, okay, once you've done it for a while, yes, you'll find it easy, but literally just getting started can be extremely difficult, okay? Now, I do have a referral link below. Who wants to join us, support the channel, please join BloFin. And you'll see the potential, you really will. So again, scrolling through now, asset custody and full insurance coverage. BloFin collaborates with Fireblocks, the industry-leading assets custody institution. So they've got their own insurance as well, which not many exchanges do. And when they've got insurance backup for your assets as well, it does give you that complete reassurance. Okay, I find that absolutely incredible. Now, trade anywhere in the BloFin app. You can get it on the App Store, Apple, you also can get Google and download for Android. Who trusts BloFin? Now, again, the fact that Kucoin and BloFin, united by their shared mission in the industry, have enjoyed a fruitful partnership spanning years. So they had a $50 million investment. Okay, you see their Matrix Partners, well, a Kucoin, just to get started. So I think that really was important. It shows it's being built for longevity. And obviously, Kucoin has been around for as long as I can remember. From the first exchange I did join. Okay, and I'll be on Kucoin ever since. However, the fact that investment in BloFin, and BloFin is literally going to take it to the next level again, I think it's absolutely incredible. You see on the screen all the partnerships, all the investments, but having that Fireblocks insurance, I think is absolutely fantastic. Now, again, is BloFin secure? The first thing you should do when you join exchange, basically, you've got to set your own security, as I say. Join there, join your email. Now, I've basically done it. I have a separate email for different exchanges. Again, it gives it more security. You obviously want a strong password, but your 2FA, your anti-phishing. You want to do all the security you can from your side, but you obviously want to know what BloFin side is. You can see here. Obviously, they've got a lot of serial entrepreneurs, executives from the traditional finance industry, risk control professionals. Now, BloFin has implemented 5 different security measures to protect users' assets. This includes partnership with Fireblocks, as I say, for the insurance, drawing on decentralized Merkle tree verification, which is great to see, which proves the proof of reserves, using WAS, wallet as a service, to keep users' assets in third-party custody. You've got to have them in the cold wallets. Okay, it needs obviously security levels to get them out of there. So again, it saves the hackers. Now, BloFin's never been hacked. So obviously they've got such strong security, it's basically impossible. And adopting KYT solution from on-chain for monitoring security, risk and compliance. So they're always checking their security is still at the highest level. I think that really, again, is absolutely important. So when you go on their dashboard, you can see here many different parts of it. The markets, obviously, you expect all the different pairs, etc. They've got 129 tokens and coins on it. Obviously, got your spot as well, covered many times before. Let's say anyone help, just reach out. It's easy. Just do it first few times. But I say initially, it's quite daunting, is it, when you first get into crypto? So you've got that part of it. Now, I say with any exchange, they've got to offer the basically where you can buy crypto with fiat. Otherwise, someone else literally got to buy another exchange and send it to an exchange. Is no good to anyone with the fees, the transfer fees, etc. So the fact you can buy it direct is here. Now, also, the fees are very minimal. £150 will give you 185 tether, which I think is really good. Now, Simplex and Alchemy, I've used Simplex many times, okay? MasterCard and Visa. Now, again, in the UK, we're quite restricted on, I think there's literally hardly any credit cards you can use now in the UK. Obviously, debit cards, some banks are very anti-crypto. Me personally, I'm still fine. I use Barclays here, and Barclays is actually very good with crypto. I've done a few questionnaires, for example, but no issues. Okay, but it's saying very strict, but obviously bank transfers are a lot easier. However, using Simplex is really easy. And again, I've never had any trouble with Simplex, so it's great to see. So the fact they've got that, you can buy crypto directly with fiat, again, is really important for any exchange. In fact, BloFin offer that, I'm really happy. Now, going back to the dashboard, obviously you've got your futures, trade the most trending futures and trading bots. That's something I'm really going to get into. Might do a dedicated video about the trading bot. I think that's really good. Okay, and also the copy trading, you see on the screen. Now, they've got different traders, and I've covered this before, but it's important you see the win rates, okay, and what people are doing, how many followers they've got, etc., and how they're basically doing. Obviously, the market's been quite volatile the last sort of 2 months or so, and you can scroll through and you pick a trade you want to do. Now, obviously, that trader gets a certain percentage of winnings. That's obviously how they wouldn't do it, would they? Let's be honest. So, again, that's something I want to get into on this site as well. So, it really is exciting times for BloFin, everything they offer. I do like that. Now, again, any exchange, you've got to have the proof of reserves. Again, that reassurance, which I always talk about. Secures the safety and accessibility of your cryptocurrency assets for trading and withdrawal, but holding one-to-one reserve. You can do your own audit of the crypto you own on BloFin, as well as you view your BloFin wallets. Now, this is the ratio. This is the audit. So their tether is 125%. So basically, they've got over 25% of what they need. Because of reserves, you need 100%. They've got 25% over. Bitcoin's 110%. Ethereum 112%. Okay, now, the other part of their site is the earn. Again, always state, in a bear market, you've got to make your crypto work for you. Regardless how low the interest rate is, you just want crypto working for you. And obviously, in a bull market, it's different, because obviously Tether will be using it, etc. But in a bear market, there's no point just sat there stagnant, not doing anything. So again, you can get them rewards. They offer these different APRs on different projects, the big ones. Okay, your Tether, your Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Okay, so again, that's great to see. Hopefully, they expand that as well. Now, BloFin Futures. This is the, based on CoinGecko.com, it shows all their trading, their volumes, etc. You can see there, obviously, Bitcoin's their biggest one for natural reasons. But you can see there, 24 open interest, 1.4 billion. You can see the 24-hour trading volume. Actually, crazy volumes. It truly is. So they really are, I've got a lot of reassurance. And I think that because they offer so much high security, people naturally are happy to use BloFin. Okay, and in fact, it's been around 5 years as well. It's got the big investment Kucoin. All those security levels really gives that people that strong reassurance. It truly does. Strongly suggest you follow them on Twitter like I do. They're doing a sponsor at the Blockchain Con in Barcelona late this year, based in September. But they're very active on social media, and they're always doing competitions as well. So follow them on Twitter. Again, I'll put a link below, and you can see they're doing a lot of quizzes. And obviously, when they list a new project as well, they're giving some basically rewards, and people can do it. Trade 8 hot new tokens for 0 marker fees and 50% off. So they even do like 0 fees for certain projects. Okay, so they do these tweets. Well, it's really important if you want to get into a project. Obviously, you want to get a new listed token and get those rewards as well. Now, on the activity center, this is where I'll go back to it. Now, you can see here, KI listing celebration. This was literally one. You can see the event period. So basically, trade KI spot and share 20,000 KHI. They're also doing an Olympic spinner game. You can actually win some tickets. Again, it's great to see. They do UEFA Euro 24 as well. And they're the Champions League, okay? So like they do these events and this competition, I think is really good. Again, involves the community, gives people a chance to win. And I really do like that. I think it really does involve the community, makes it, it gives people that interest, doesn't it? Okay. So again, follow them on Twitter. I think it's really important. Or X. I keep calling it Twitter's X, obviously. Okay. So, and also, I do have a referral link below. Join BloFin today and win welcome bonus up to $5,000. Depending on what you want to do, you can see there the first deposit, your first trade. You've got all there. Challenge rewards. Okay. Decent USDT there is the thing. If you're a real big game, you can see there the rewards there. 2,000 tether if you're $100,000 deposit. That's incredible rewards, isn't it? It truly is. Okay. Scroll through, you can also see there the trades. You get some more tether. So they do a lot of rewards. They do a lot of welcome bonuses as well, which is great to see exchange to engage people to invest and trade that crypto. Okay, so thanks very much. I say, do have a referral link below to support the channel. I think it's a wonderful exchange to join, even more so if you're in the UK. Now, other exchanges which had existing UK residents still allow people to trade on there. However, it's very, very difficult, as I said earlier, for people in the UK now to join exchange. In fact, we've got BloFin here offering that. I think it's absolutely wonderful. So thanks very much. As usual, just email me, info@CryptoStrang.com, or my social media links below. We're doing more videos about BloFin over time to see all the different parts of their dashboard. I think it's an exciting time to join this exchange. I think they're offering a lot, and I think they'll constantly develop. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful weekend. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.